Each petal whispers secrets of the earth, stories of love, life and rebirth. Roses red with passion, daisies pure and white, tulips in the springtime, a breathtaking sight. Lavender fields that calm the restless soul. In the garden of life, they make us whole. Flowers bloom in the morning light, painting a world with colors so bright. Nature's art in every hue, a symphony of blossoms just for me and you. Ooh, 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 ooh. In a meadow green where the wildflowers play, they sway with the breeze in a gentle ballet. Sunflowers reach for the heavens above, radiating warmth, a symbol of love. Lilies by the water, orchids in the rain, petals soft and tender, easing all the pain. Magnolias grand, standing tall and proud. In the silence of dawn, they speak aloud. Flowers bloom